In this ukulele review, we're going to go over the Pono MGCD. I'll tell you what that means in a second, but let me tell you about this thing. Woo! This thing's amazing. First thing is how amazingly warm this is, but that's not the first thing. The first thing is, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. This is going to be a great review on this Pono Mango MGCD. I think I gave it away. I'll tell you what those other means. But if you're new to the channel, we do ukulele reviews and tutorials as well as Guitarlele and Baritone. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. So, Ponos are new to my store. Store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 and the biggest online store for all your ukulele needs. And I don't know why it took me so long to get these in, because they are amazing and they fill a great void in the kind of the KoAloha where they kind of stop, and then where maybe like Romero's Creations, Kanilea, KoAloha pick up. So they're really great price point for a really great quality instrument. I'm gonna do some playing. We're gonna go over all the specs. I'll tell you a little bit about Pono, and yeah, let's dive right in. By the way, I'll do a little bit of finger picking. I'll slow it down a little bit. Someone left a comment about that, slowing it down. Let us hear it. So I'll do that. But anyway, let me know what you think of this. If you have any suggestions, want to know anything, hopefully I'll give you all the information, but leave that comment below. All right, so mango wood, one of my favorites actually. If you watch my videos, my tutorials, I've been using a KoAloha Mango a lot, KTM-00MG, for my sound lately. It's just a really big sound. And what I've been so surprised with when I picked this thing up, this MGCD, do you get it? MG Mango, C Concert, D Deluxe. I'll tell you exactly what that is. By the way, this is a concert. I'm amazed at how big and full and warm this sounds. It's absolutely, I mean, just check it. If I just do some simple chords. I mean, this has a high G on it, and this is a concert, and it sounds really big. It sounds really warm, and that's really a characteristic of mango in general, and also just a characteristic of a great ukulele. All right, so check this out. We got solid mango here. Just a really nice mango. By the way, this is deluxe. I'll tell you what makes this deluxe. You got the nice rope rosette there. Real simple, real clean. That's what I like about this. Same thing on the side. Solid mango sides. Again, real simple. No binding on this version. Real simple. And then just a really nice mango back. Check this out. Just really clean, really a nice color mango. So this deluxe version, what makes it deluxe, the wood's a little nicer, just a little nicer wood, and then the gloss. They have the gloss finish on it. So are you a fan of gloss? Because if you don't want the gloss, they do have a version in satin finish, which people say sound better. Well, they sound different. I just like the look of the gloss. I think it looks really clean, looks really professional. So what do you like, gloss, satin? Leave that comment below. If you like, Pono has a nicer, like upgraded version called the Pro Classic, and those have the binding on the top and the bottom, and then they also step it up a little bit on the wood as well. So that's the Pro Classic. This one, though, is just the Deluxe. All right, concert scale length. Let me do a little finger picking, slow it down a little bit. We'll go over all the nut width and all the scale lengths and everything else you need to know. I'll tell you a little bit about Pono as well. Sweet. Sweet is the way I'm going to pronounce it. By the way, this has a high G on it. These come with the KoAloha strings. Yeah, nice strings. Feels really good. The tension's not too like loose and not too tight. You know how some strings are a little high tension. They feel really tight. These strings feel really nice. And for this uke, just perfect. All right, so you got the high gloss finish. By the way, thanks for being here. Thanks for smashing that like button. I do appreciate that. You do have the nice satin finish, even though the body is gloss. You got the nice satin finish here. You have the open gear tuners. These are Grovers. Nice tuners, really great tuners. Hold the tune really nice. You got the ebony head plate. Makes it look really nice. All right, now, a couple things here. Nut width and scale length, something I like to go over with all my reviews if I can remember to do them. But anyway, got the inch and 3/8. 3/8. That's 35 millimeters. 35 millimeters nut width, which is really pretty classic for a concert ukulele. Now, you have the 15 inches here from the nut to the saddle, 15 inches, real traditional for a concert. What I like too is they finish it off here with a nice ebony fretboard. They have the ebony binding as well. And just a simple, boop, and get that glare out of there. And the nice ebony end cap right there at the bottom. So just overall, a really nice, solid instrument, great price. These are made in Java, the island of Java, shipped to Hawaii, and then they shipped out to me right here, ukelikethepros. All right, so I'll do one more little piece of playing. Again, what do you think? What do you think so far? Really warm, really full sounding. You can tell just by holding this thing. It's a great quality instrument. All right, what should I do? All right, let's do this. A little blued, but you can also, I won't go too fast. You can hear the nice lush sounds of this. I had to speed it up a little bit. All right, let me slow it down a little bit. Woo! Somewhere in there. How about a little scale here? You know I got to throw the blues in. By the way, if you're into blues, I got a great blues course, ukelikethepros.com. A bunch of other courses and a great premium membership as well. All right, this right here, this is the Pono MGCD. That's the Mango Concert Deluxe version. Absolutely fantastic. Great instruments. You're going to love these things. Great price, great quality, just everything. Did I forget anything? I don't know. Maybe I forgot this. Thank you for being here. Thanks for the comments, smashing that like button, and subscribing to the channel. Without your support, we're not here. Again, if you like this thing, store.ukelikethepros.com. And until the next video, take care, have a good one, and we'll see you.